Hey there, home inspectors! Are you ready to become the go-to expert in your area? Well, grab your tool belt because we're about to build your online reputation with the power of blogging. Picture this. It's 2018, and you're just another name in a sea of inspectors. Your phone's not ringing, and your calendar looks emptier than a foreclosed home. But fast forward to today, and bam! You're known as the House Whisperer, with a waiting list of clients and local media knocking at your door. How to do this? 2 words: blog and posts. Now, I know what you're thinking. Me? Right? But here's the secret sauce. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need to share what you know, and boy, do you know a lot! Every weird problem you solve, every creaky floorboard you step on, that's blog gold. Remember that time you found a beehive in an attic? That's not just a crazy story, it's a lesson on proper home maintenance. Start small. 1 post a month about seasonal home tips, common issues in your area, or demystifying the inspection process. Before you know it, you'll be the expert everyone turns to. Share your posts on social media, start an email newsletter, and watch your business grow. Ready to blog your way to expert status? Start a conversation with us at speakwithbeth.com. We'll help you turn that wealth of knowledge into a thriving online presence. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your home inspection business. Together, we'll build a foundation for success.